Hi, my name's Deb. I sprained my ankle in April of 2012, and I was recommended to come to Achieve Physical Therapy and see Dave by my doctor. Anyways, I have been very happy with my success here at Achieve Physical Therapy. I've gained full range of motion back in my ankle, and I've also gotten to be able to do all the things I did before I sprained my ankle. I'm an avid hiker, and I like to run. I used the AlterG, which is an anti-gravity treadmill here while I was doing physical therapy. It's totally awesome. It is phenomenal how you can run on that thing and get rehabilitated, and it's so helpful. I highly recommend that. The staff here is amazing. Everybody is fun to work with. They are knowledgeable, and it's just a good time. It's a good atmosphere. Dave is also amazing. He's very knowledgeable. He has a lot of good ideas, and I'm just totally happy with my experience with Achieve Physical Therapy, and I highly recommend them to patients and other people that need to have rehabilitation.